go. Right here.
Oh, that was a good one. That was a close one.
It's on.
Sorry, move my biker's foot. Whoa. I got, hold on. Please. Oh gosh, I'm down. Hold on. Alright, hold on. Shut it off and let it there. So it stays there. Let the clutch out. Let it out. Alright, just leave it here. Hold on. Alright, it's still beaking gas, y'all. Bad. Alright, yeah, roll it down. You got it? Alright, you good?
Yeah.
Oh! That was a good one. Your tire, I don't know. I think it's your tire.
No, you just can't start slipping.
Yeah, I know, you're finished. Like, I just keep it
Shut off.
pegged. Alright.
Alright, this time go up the hill.